Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're doing okay. My name is Shirley. Welcome back to my channel. I want to show you what I got today. Only on the 21st of December. You guys, I have never gotten one this late, I don't think. I got my premium box like on the 10th of December. Something like that, really fast. This one's probably just super slow because it's the holidays and you know. So, guys, I got this. I'm really excited for this because I know what my choice item is on the base box. And I can tell you, but I'm not going to. I did cut the tab like I always do because I always struggle with that in front of you guys. And it just takes up a long time. So, let's talk a little bit. First, I want to make sure that everybody is doing okay and you got plans for the holidays and you guys be safe. I am just going to stay at home. We're going to do a grab and go with my family, or my husband's family actually. We're all going to pitch in some meals and then we're going to grab a meal and go. So my sister-in-law and brother-in-law will be doing that for Christmas Eve, and my mother-in-law will be doing that. With joint for everybody. We're all going to pitch in a dish to make a meal for Christmas. So kind of different. Thank you, COVID, for this great big learning experience that will continue next year. Hopefully not much longer than that. So I hope everybody stays safe. I don't think I'll be uploading between now after this video. It's just very crazy. My life is very crazy. I'm working a full-time and a part-time job, and I just don't have enough time right now. I do think after the beginning of the holidays, I'm going to reduce my part-time hours and refocus on what I want to do and what's my priorities. So my Facebook, I will be adding a channel, and I won't be doing a lot of these channels of the beauty and the unboxing anymore. I will still do them, but not as much. I will still be there to support the rest of my fellow YouTubers in the beauty world. And that's just because there's quite a few out there that I really enjoy, and I watch them every day. I don't always comment, but I am watching you guys. So I also want to let you know what I'm going to be doing at the beginning of the new year on my second channel. I haven't named it. I am a big scrapbooker, as you guys know, so I'm going to start doing some scrapbooking. I'm not sure if I'm just going to do straight scrapbooking or card making. I might do both. So that I haven't figured out yet. So without further ado, let's get into what we're here for today. The Boxy base for December. So guys, I've already cut the seal, and I do know what my choice is because I'm so freaking excited to get into this one. My choice item anyway. So anyway, oh yeah, look at this. There is the box. The long-awaited box. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and try to do this super fast and let you guys know what I got. And I'm limited on space right now. Excuse me, I'm limited on space right now. So we'll see. Let's begin. So guys, why don't you go ahead and get a snack, get a drink, come sit with me, and let's unbox this. This is my base box for the month of December 2020, and it is called Bubbles and Glitz. My variation is 15. Now guys, we got, first of all, you guys know that Ipsy bought out BOXYCHARM. Their shipping is totally different too. I'm not able to locate the weight on these. So if you guys know how to find the weight on your boxes with the new shipping people, comment down below and let me know. So once again, I have variation number 15. And the first thing I'm going to grab out is MAC lipstick. I like lipstick. And I've got a really faint brown on. So I'm going to try this actually on my lips today. So the color of this is called Plumful. And the last MAC that I got was very nice and creamy, but it was sweet hooker red, dudes. Y'all, I could not wear it. I don't wear red at all. It's just not for me. So, I love these bullet-shaped lipsticks. I've got some other ones that are just like square and they're so bulky. But let's check this out. Like the basic packaging, just says MAC. Hopefully it's one that I will be able to... Oh, yeah, I'm thinking so, guys. Thinking so. Let's see. Try to put this on with the phone. I do like it. Very creamy, very smooth. I like it. Oh my gosh, I do like this. So, this is going to be one of my new go-tos in the morning when I get ready to go to work. I always put lipstick on, and then throughout the day I usually do lip gloss, but I ran out of lip gloss, so I have lipstick at work. So let's read about this. It's MAC Cosmetics Luster Lipstick. Meet MAC Lipstick, the iconic product that made MAC famous. Good Lord, famous. The lightweight formula glides easy with sheer to medium buildable coverage and a lustrous finish. Y'all, I can't talk today. $19. You know, that's not bad for a good product like MAC. 19 bucks is not bad at all. And it's buildable, so if I wanted to go darker, I could do another coat of lipstick. But I'm not, because I really like to stay neutral. So the next thing is Elemis. Guys, I recently started using my Elemis, and I love it. It's so good. So this is Superfood Glowing Primer Moisturizer. Awesome. I've been doing 2 and 3 different types of trying to get some glow going on, and my face is just so matte and so dull. This I'm excited for, and it's for all skin types. So it's got kombucha, ginger, and it's a prebiotic. It brightens, nourishes, and hydrates. I'm going to open this up. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. Good sized jar. Okay. I'll put the lid back on it because once it got some air, it just come oozing out. Oh, goodness, yes. Love, love, love that. Can you guys see that glow there? On top of my little freckle, but nice. Yes, I could see that too. See that? Beautiful. I like that. I'm ready to do that today. I'm still using the old pink. I'm almost out of it. Ready to cut it into. It's this stuff. Do you guys remember this stuff? I got 2 tubes of it and love it. All right, so the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Reveal a soft lit from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. The lightweight multi-use formula leaves skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. I'm going to try it a couple different ways. I'm going to try it as a highlighter to enhance my skin and or a primer underneath my skin. That's what I have right now, and you can barely tell it because when I put on my other stuff, it just covers it away. So I have noticed it does have a slight smell to it, and the value on that is $49. Yeah, that's why I buy this box for $25, guys, because I would never just go buy that for 49 bucks. One, because I get so much of this stuff I don't need to, because chances are I'm going to get it again. So the next thing is what my choice item is, guys. I'm so very excited for this. Guys, look. It's the Glametics Magnetic Eyelashes. Now, you guys, if you've followed me, you know that I can't figure out how to get these eyelashes to work. Now, I did buy some cheap ones, and I do mean cheap, $1. So they were $1.50 at King Soopers, and then I went to another department store here in town, and they had them for $1. And I was like, yeah, I'm going to try these. So I did get a couple pair. I did put them on using the other Kiss adhesive that I used, and it was good. So guys, I want to see how good this works. And I can already tell now the band is way thicker on this. Can you see that band there? I bet that's got to be because you've got your magnetic adhesive. I'm excited for this. And you guys, I will definitely do a video on those. And I'll let you know how I like those. I've heard so much about those. And today I'm just using the mascara that we got in my premium box this month. So this is the Glammatic Baby Girl Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. Get ready to be spoiled. This baby girl is wispy round lash that looks natural on the eye and feels super lightweight. It's made from a high quality 100% vegan synthetic fiber and comes from a pair of lash anchors that help strengthen the hold to keep them in place. Glammatic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your fave Glammatic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all-day hold. I'm excited for this, guys. That is the eyeliner that you put there, and then you let it probably dry tacky. I'm going to have to check up on that, and then put it on there. And it's magnetic, so hopefully it'll stay there. You guys know me already. I'm going to tell you, I would never pay that. I would never pay that. I'm excited to get that. That's why I love these BOXYCHARMs, because I would never buy this stuff ever if I didn't get this. I have my favorite things that I do buy that I don't go away from, and I don't veer from those. And I don't need to buy this stuff because I get this. All right, so guys, let's look at the next thing. Only got a couple more things left. I've got 2 more things left. I am so glad I got this variation, because I did watch some YouTubes this time around, some spoilers, and I was hoping I got this, and I did, guys. It is the Sponge Makeup Eraser, first ever machine washable makeup sponge. I need a new makeup sponge, because this is it. Guys, and I washed my sponges. I have 2 of them, one for my concealer, and then one for my foundation. But I have washed those by hand, and I've also, just like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I actually put them in my towels when I did my towels. Didn't seem to bother them. They didn't seem to make holes in them either. So this one here, it's telling you how your sponge is going to do here, and then you put this in here, and then you put it in the wash machine. Do you remember back in the day where you could do that with a Downy ball? This is what this is. This is a sponge ball kind of thing. I'm excited for that. And let's read up on that. And it is the original makeup eraser, the sponge. The first ever machine washable sponge. Specially formulated for the original makeup eraser. It features the same unique wash technology to erase makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing. $18. Okay. I'm not going to knock it, because I paid, you know, like $10 for one beauty blender. So, and to have it clean and washed and ready to go again, like I wash my brushes every week. I did get this, guys. One of the other YouTubers, I did promise her, so I can't swatch this. If she didn't get this one, then I would trade her something or send this to her. There it is. It's the Caliente. I just have to go back through my notes and... Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is a Artist Couture Caliente palette. It's magnetic. The closure is magnetic. That's very nice. I will have to go back through my notes and find out what other YouTuber really wanted that I told her I would give it to her if I got it. I'll keep my word on it. So, let me put all of these up so I can shut this dresser drawer. Alright, and let's read about this. And the Artist Couture Caliente palette. Turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional, I can't say that word, high pearl shade. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, and colorful looks. Transform your eyes with this versatile glow getter approved palette. $30. So I added how much my box was worth. Before I tell you that, if you haven't, guys, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that. If you would share me out, I would appreciate that too. I've only been doing this since the end of May. I don't even have 100 subscribers, but hey, it is what it is. And if you would share me out, I'd appreciate that. And if you like the content, please give me a thumbs up. Turn your notification bell on so that way you never miss another upload. When you turn your notification bell on, you're going to have an option, just not only to turn it on, but you can turn it up, and that means you're always notified when I come on. So that's the best thing. So then you know what, all of them, not just that you're, so that's very important because I've missed some people's premieres and some videos that I really wanted to watch, and I was very sad. But anyway, guys, so my box is worth $179. So guys, what did you get your base box yet? If you did, what variation did you get? Did you get that palette? How did those magnetic lashes work for you? That is, I'm really excited for those. So guys, if you would, please comment down below. I'd appreciate that. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and like my channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. And everybody, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a great New Year. Stay safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.